So in this question, we want to look at how to find the greatest common divisor between 12 and 30. Now what this means is we want to look at how to find basically the biggest number that goes into 12 and 30. Now to do this question, we want to use a Euclidean algorithm. Remember, the form of the Euclidean algorithm is A equals BQ plus R. This is how many times a smaller number goes into the bigger number with how many left over. Remember, Q is our quotient, R is our remainder. So using the Euclidean algorithm, we always want to start with the biggest number, which means in this question we want to start with 30. And then what we want to do is work out how many times the smaller number, which in this question is 12, goes into the 30. Now we know that 12 goes into 30 twice, with 6 left over. So using the Euclidean algorithm, we can write this question as 30 equals 12 times 2 plus 6. Now what we want to do is bring down a number in this position, which is 12, down to the front, and then also bring down our remainder down into this position here. Now what we want to do is work out how many times 6 goes into 12. Now we know that 6 goes into 12 twice, with 0 left over. Now that our remainder is 0, this is really important when finding the greatest common divisor, because this means the process can stop. If the remainder wasn't 0, then we would just continue the process like we've done so here. But because the remainder is 0, again we can stop. Now to find the greatest common divisor from this, we look at the number in this position, which should also be the remainder in the previous line of working. So this means that the greatest common divisor of 12 and 30 is 6.